you? Oh. This one's purple. Did you want a purple swimsuit? Do you like this color? So Mommy should buy you a purple swimsuit. Okay. Should we get 2 swimsuits? If Daddy lets us get 2 swimsuits, what do you want the other color to be? Oh. You can't get a 2-piece. It has to be a 1-piece. Daddy said. I know. You have to wait till you're in college. Is that it? Is that all the input you're going to give me? We did a lot today, didn't we? You even got a sun hat today.